Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Indian Chef Recipe. Today we are going to learn how to make apple milkshake. Apple is very healthy and also very tasty. So now let's see the ingredients to make apple milkshake. Here we have taken 2 apples, 8 ice cubes, sugar around 4 to 5 tablespoons, squeeze half a lemon, 150 ml of milk. Now let's see the process of making apple milkshake. First, peel the skin of apple with the help of peeler. Now cut the apple. Remove the seeds as I'm showing you in the video. Cut into small pieces and add to a mixie jar. Now add milk, sugar, ice cubes, lemon, close the lid and blend it. After blending, pour this juice in a glass. By keeping a straw, you can also add ice cubes from top and serve chilled. So this was our today's tasty and yummy apple milkshake. Hope you all guys enjoyed by watching today's healthy recipe. Please do like, share and subscribe our videos. Bye.